Good morning, fellow traders. This is Rich Keys here, recording this BTC chart on the daily time frame. Today is June the 12th, and it's about 8 a.m. New York time. So these areas of resistance here has been noted very well, and I think there's a market makers area. So anytime we came to this area, I knew a reaction was going to happen. However, I just want to make this video to point something that is of significance on the chart currently as we look to see where BTC is currently going to come to. And maybe, we can use the information to make appropriate trade decisions. Just to remind everyone, this is not a financial advice. This is not a trade advice. I'm not asking you to buy or sell your BTC or buy any token. This is a trade idea I'm just sharing with the trading community here based on my chart settings. So what do I see here? I see we rallied beautifully here, trying to overtake the previous all-time high. We successfully did go slightly above it, but we failed on the pullback support. So if we did pull back to this level and we found support, that would have been a continuation rally. However, the pullback was pretty deep. We pulled back quite significantly, broke below the 21-day period moving average and bounced back up in a nice fashion. Now, I do realize there's a few gaps here that was created on the CME gap. One of them was created right here. So this gap has not been filled yet from June 6th to June 10th candlestick. Okay. So this gap is existing, and I think this gap will be filled probably in the next couple of days, if not today. Secondly, if I look down here, there's another gap that was created somewhere around April 22nd to the April 23rd trading session. And I think this gap would also ultimately get filled. When I put a Fibonacci extension on this pullback retrace measurement, this seems to give me an idea that we'll probably be doing somewhere close to the 1.618 fib target. That would probably close the window. So yeah, so somewhere right here, 1.618 target, 92,225. Okay, so 92,225 is a possible target pullback for BTC. Now, I don't know if it's really going to do it or not. I'm just looking at a few indicators here. Number one, we have a divergence occurring here. This was the previous high. We attempted a lower high. RSI is much lower. My stochastic cycle is already turned down above, the high of 83 to about 88. And that's usually a turnaround zone, unless it's going to be a trending pattern where it probably will just stay above here and not come down. The other indicator that I'm looking at is also MACD. Okay, so MACD on the daily chart is still, I'm talking about MACD histogram bar, we're still below zero. We haven't been able to turn up yet. And ever since we have this cross, we haven't been able to cross back up. This is a significant cross because until MACD crosses back up, this ain't going up. So based on these few settings, I think BTC is going to do a much deeper pullback. First to close this gap here that occurred, and to close this other gap that also occurred here. Even well, this gap was closed, but this one, April 22nd to April 23rd gap. So I hope this analysis is useful, and trade cautiously. I wish everyone a happy trading session. Cheers.